This is why your haircut is always falling flat. A lot of times you go home and you say, oh, I just got my haircut. Like it looked okay there, but you try styling it and it falls flat. One, it could be the products that were being used. Clearly, the hair professional is using something that they think is gonna work for your hair, but when you go home, if you don't have that same product or something like it, for example, if the hair professional is using like a hair powder and then you go home and use a pomade, clearly it's gonna be two different types of looks. So you have to always look and evaluate what products you are using for your hair, especially if you're trying to get volume. You also could be using the wrong products for volume. There's so many hair products out there. And yes, I will say I have my own line. The thing about me is that there's a lot of companies out there, especially nowadays, these TikTok brands or quote unquote, hair influencers or hair gurus that are, living in their parents' living at home, making products in their bathroom. Now all of a sudden they're like making $80 million a month selling, hair products. But the thing is that if you're looking for products that perform based off of a real professional's real world 30-year experience, which is me, working on, over at least thousands of clients, models, throughout my career, I know what works on hair. So I have a full range of products that actually deliver based off of how I would use it as a professional. So when it comes to your hair falling flat, that's the biggest thing, is if you're using the wrong products. Next, let's talk about the hair texture. You might have a very thick, pin straight hair texture, which no matter what you do, unless you're using a specific type of product, it's gonna wanna fall flat because of how heavy it is, okay? So it's purely your hair texture and your hair type. It just wants to fall flat. So you have to, for example, if it's silky smooth, you have to make it the opposite, which is a bit more gritty and a bit more dry, and then you're gonna be able to get that volume. So think about the opposite. If you have really dry, frizzy, coarse hair, you don't want it to look like that. So you're gonna use products to make it look healthier and smoother. It's the same concept. When it comes to the haircut, this is probably the most important part of the whole thing. If you have a haircut and you notice that no matter what you do, it lays flat, it grows out looking really, really flat. This goes for men's hair, women's hair. It all comes down to the layering technique, the layering methods. I like to cut hair out from the head. The hair grows out. The only place it grows straight up from the head is about right there, the flattest part on top of the head, right there. All right? That's where, and in my cutting methods, I usually just comb it straight up, right in this one spot. That's it. And this is the guide around the perimeter. So if I'm cutting hair, and let's just say I cut this length off, and then I get lazy and I go, okay, the top is done. All right, now let's do the sides. And I bring all that hair and stretch it way over here. Now we've created a very square shape. Square shapes are designed to make the hair lay flatter to the head because this corner is weighing this down. So a lot of people, especially barbers, and a lot of people think men have to have a very squared shape. That's okay if you have more of a rounded head or you don't like how your hair poofs out or you want to lay flat, then yes, get a square or triangular shape. However, for me, if my main goal is to get volume, and if you are a client watching this, you have to express to the hair professional, my hair lacks volume. I think it's the haircut. Every time I get a haircut, it looks okay when I leave, but then when I go home, it just lays very flat. And then what you can do is a self-diagnosis to where you pull the hair straight up, and then as you go here, if it gets longer and longer and longer, and it's just straight across, it's gonna look like a box on your head. And then if you comb it out this way, and you've got this really, you can even see it here, you've got this corner right here. This is all weight. That's the reason why your hair is laying flat, because it's just so heavy and the hair here is pulling everything down or weighing it down. So you have to express to the hair professional that you want to have a haircut that adds fullness to your hair, AKA pulling it out from the head, or more of a rounded, fuller shape. Or you can literally say, yeah, every time I get my haircut, they leave the corner here, and that just weighs it down. Some hair professionals, believe it or not, don't even understand that. They don't understand haircut shapes. They don't understand like how to cut the hair properly to add volume. If you are a hair professional or just a client watching this, I've created PDF downloadable ebooks for sale. I think one's like, they're like $9.99 each. I have another one that's like on sale for $19. That's more of like haircut fundamentals. But I do have one for men's hair and women's hair, breaking down haircut shapes. Everyone goes to the face shape. That's important. But if you have the wrong haircut shape, then you're not, and if you don't understand what a haircut shape is, I would suggest getting one of those ebooks, because then you'll be able to refer to it and understand what is going on. And this goes for professionals, because there's a lot of professionals who have no idea what haircut shapes are, and it's valuable to anyone. So it really then comes down to the haircut. Then you'll be able to get a much easier time getting volume. And if you see right here on this mannequin, even though, yes, it's a bit more triangular, meaning it's going shorter to longer, like this, see, shorter, longer, look at how much volume I'm able to get just because of me having the ability to use product. So product is gonna help support the haircut. Yes, you'll get a little more volume and it won't be so flat with the haircut, but you need the products to support that volume. And that's what the products that I have are designed to do. And that's where the authenticity and real world experience comes in, because I'm not scamming you because I'm some 21-year-old living at home with washboard abs and have never spent the day as a hair professional. I bring the real world experience. You need products to support the haircut. So this is a prime example of having layers on shorter hair and having more of a rounded shape, okay? And that's why I'm able to get all of this volume. Watch, if I go like this, you can see I'm pulling this and it's all straight out from the head. Everything is rounded out, as you can see, and I'm able just to lift, and by using product, I'm able to get all that volume in there. And to me, it really is as simple as that. So check out the ebooks. If you want to check out any of my products, I have a volumizing set for a shampoo and conditioner set, which is amazing. My Tidal Wave Sea Salt Spray is incredible for volume. My Beach House hair powder has recently been reformulated. I wish this was the original version. This, to me, by far, is the best hair powder I've ever used. It actually makes your hair feel soft. Unlike most, it's very drying and very tacky and leaves a lot of white residue. This was all fixed with this one. It's literally, I wish, like, if I had launched this product 20 years ago, I'd be like a gazillionaire right now. So anyway, let me know if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.